our wonderful camping experience trying to put the tent together.
No, I can't find it. Seriously, guys.
Oh my god, there is a piece missing. Where is it?
Wait, maybe not.
Yeah, there is.
Yeah, definitely.
Oh no, there isn't. Look, it looks like it will fit.
Jenna, you messed it up, you little bugger. I did not. Where's my daddy? It's fine, look. You can fit in there. You're not a giant.
Tasha will be able to fit in there.
Oh my god, my leg. What?
I'll hold the other side. So
How would you meant to? It worked. Oh my god, I thought the cake was lighting up when I put it in. Oh yeah.
Yeah, we want her to put it in. Just...
That would be very safe.
Fire outside?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, do you get stuff for s'mores?
That wasn't on the list.
Who's upstairs?
Ah, no one.
Or they just hear a door?
Did you turn? Why is the light on the computer?
Because we were just up there.
Jenna got scared by the squirrels. That's new, like you just came
Hey,
up with
Sam. Chantel, have some.
And Chantel.
You're just gonna eat the candle?
What did you say?
I don't want to get wax poisoning.
I'm an idiot. Come on, Chantel. You never ate crayons back in your day. No, me neither. Actually, I probably
Back
did.
in your day?
Back in your day. That's a long time ago.
How old are you? 48?
No, that's you.
I'm only 28.
Times 6. You trying to do the math, Jenna?
No, because I know I'll never figure it out.
Stop it.
Come on, Chantel. Ooh.
No, Chantel. Come on.
Thank you, I'm good. I don't want to get wax poisoning.
Okay, good.
Huh?
Alright, Daddy, you can cut it.
Why?
No, Chantel should
See
cut
my
it because she
cutting.
didn't blow it out.
Yeah, Chantel.
You guys, I have issues with mine.
And remember, you can't trust me with a butter knife.
Oh.
Issue with what?
Nice.
If you can't trust me with a butter knife, come on.
Chantel should do it.
I don't know. She's issues with knives.
Don't just cut it.
I'll destroy the thing.
Not like that.
Don't cut yourself.
Shut your face. Shut your mouth.
Wait, it's actually a sharp knife. That won't happen.
You cut cakes the way some people make wedding invitations.
Cooking.
Yeah,
Hey,
you should
you have
do.
paper stuck to there?
I gave it away. Actually, is paper stuck to it?
Wow, there's just a giggle.
Pretty
That's some
much.
big pieces of cake.
Well, don't eat any then.
I never felt so funny
So
before.
destroyed.
You gonna be alright?
No, she's not. She almost stabbed me with that. No!
Just almost.
Do I have a cut on my forehead?
I thought you didn't have the knife. Why are you taking a middle piece?
Because I figured they would want paper.
Oh, so like choice of rock, paper, scissors?
Dad, please stop talking.
She doesn't eat flat, she doesn't eat wax, but she eats paper.
Do you want a bigger piece than that, Chantel?
No.
Are you sure? It's really small.
That's good.
I don't know, Jenna. I think she's...
Yeah, the one little one. Honey.
I got chills. They're multiplying.
Oh! I got chills, they're multiplying, and I'm losing control. 'Cause the power you're supplying, it's electrifying. I love that. You better shape up. meditation. You're too shy to convey. Meditate. Feel your way. Wow! I better shape up. 'Cause you need a man. I need a man who can keep me satisfied. I better shape up. If I'm gonna prove, you better prove that somebody say is just inside. Are you sure? 'Cause I'm sure that deep inside. You're the one that I want. Ooh, 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 honey. The one that I wanted. Ooh, 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 honey. The one that I wanted. Ooh, ooh, ooh. The one I need. Oh, yes, indeed. You're the one that I wanted. Ooh, 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 honey. And we were talking about that. And, yeah, this is me, some girl from school. I'm not trying to be a jerk or anything. But I'm from Texas too, and like, we're gonna be having this bull riding thing. But right now we're in Maine, in Sanford, Maine to be exact. You know, I just got coming from talking to y'all principal, if that's what you call it. Uh-huh. And he was all like, love you girl, love ya. Anywho, Jenna wanted to say hi. Because she misses you very much. You're like a burning passion of fire. And I was just wondering how you were, and I hope you're having a great summer. And I can't wait to see you at school again. Alright? You're like the third person tonight that I've called. Anyway, I love Kentucky Fried Chicken too. And I think that's all I got to say. But love. Hello, Chantel Granetta. I wanted to call and say what's going on. And why the heck do you leave such a long voicemail box thing? Make me so mad. Something just beat. Did you hear that, Chantel? Anyway, I gotta go. Love.